Over two-thirds of coffee drinkers add a sweetener. Many reach for artificial sweeteners, believing them to be a healthier choice. This is a misconception. These chemically derived substances, often hundreds of times sweeter than sugar, can have detrimental effects on our health. While they may seem like a guilt-free way to satisfy a sweet tooth, emerging research reveals a different story. Let's delve into the potential risks associated with these seemingly harmless additives. Artificial sweeteners, marketed as a sugar substitute, often contain 0 calories. They are found in countless food products and beverages. Despite their widespread use, growing scientific evidence suggests that these artificial sweeteners may not be as benign as we once thought. From disrupting our gut microbiome to potentially increasing the risk of serious health conditions, the truth about artificial sweeteners is gradually coming to light. Artificial sweeteners might seem harmless in the short term, but they can trigger unexpected reactions. Studies have linked them to headaches and migraines in certain individuals. Some people experience digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and diarrhea, soon after consuming artificial sweeteners. This is because these substances can interfere with the balance of gut bacteria, essential for healthy digestion. Moreover, some individuals report experiencing increased sugar cravings after consuming artificial sweeteners. This counterintuitive effect might be attributed to the way these sweeteners interact with our brains. They trigger a sweet taste without providing the expected calorie intake, potentially leading to increased cravings for sugary foods. Therefore, even in the short term, relying on artificial sweeteners might not be the best strategy for managing sugar intake or achieving weight loss goals. While the short-term effects of artificial sweeteners might be subtle and vary between individuals, it's the long-term implications that have scientists particularly concerned. Emerging evidence suggests a potential link between regular artificial sweetener consumption and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This association might seem paradoxical, as these sweeteners are often marketed as diabetes-friendly. However, research suggests they could disrupt the body's natural blood sugar regulation, potentially increasing the risk. Furthermore, some studies have pointed to a possible connection between long-term artificial sweetener use and an elevated risk of cardiovascular diseases. More research is needed to establish a definitive causal link. However, these findings raise concerns about the safety of these widely used additives. Additionally, preliminary studies suggest a possible association between artificial sweeteners and an increased risk of certain types of cancer. While more research is needed to confirm these links, the existing evidence underscores the need for caution. The good news is that there are plenty of natural, healthier alternatives to artificial sweeteners that can still satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. Stevia, derived from the stevia plant, is a natural, calorie-free sweetener that has gained popularity in recent years. It has a negligible impact on blood sugar levels, making it a suitable option for individuals with diabetes. Another great option is monk fruit extract, another natural sweetener with 0 calories and a glycemic index of 0. Erythritol, a sugar alcohol found naturally in some fruits, is another excellent alternative. It has a similar taste and texture to sugar but contains significantly fewer calories and does not raise blood sugar levels. Dates, maple syrup, and honey are other natural sweeteners that can be used in moderation. These options not only add sweetness but also provide additional nutrients and antioxidants. Transitioning from artificial sweeteners to natural alternatives might seem daunting, but it can be surprisingly easy with a few simple strategies. Start by gradually reducing the amount of artificial sweetener you use in your coffee. This will allow your taste buds to adjust to the change gradually. Experiment with different natural sweeteners to find the ones you enjoy the most. Each sweetener has a unique flavor profile, so don't be afraid to try different options until you find your perfect match. Remember that natural sweeteners, while generally considered safe, should be consumed in moderation. Excessive intake of any sweetener, even natural ones, can contribute to health problems. Explore sugar-free recipes and incorporate more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. This will naturally reduce your reliance on sweeteners and promote overall health. The evidence is mounting. Relying on artificial sweeteners might not be the healthy choice it was once perceived to be. While they may seem like a quick fix for our sweet cravings, the potential long-term health risks associated with these artificial sweeteners are too significant to ignore. The good news is that we have the power to make informed choices about what we consume. By embracing natural sweeteners and adopting a holistic approach to our diet and lifestyle, we can enjoy the sweet taste of life without compromising our health. For a deeper dive into natural remedies and healthy living, explore the links provided in the description. Your journey towards a healthier, sweeter life starts with a single step. Choose wisely.